I don't know what I've done to deserve you, but I know that I'm tired of running away, and I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to end up with you.
What's up for you guys? Are you having fun? Yes. Yeah. Awesome, right?
Baby, baby, everywhere you took me, all the way up to the highest building. I didn't look down on the way in. Everything you said, I believed it. Dedicated to the maze illusion. The only one past from decision was the way up to the highest building.
DJ Skillets, we be the realest team on the billis. Watch out, I kill it, watch out, I spit it on the mic, feel it. Y'all can't do what I do, just admit it. I'm about to get it, money, money, get it. Drop it to the floor, shake my big bitties, bopping like did it. My face look pretty, y'all ain't doing shit new, I done did it. Cause I'm marvelous, fantabulous, a bad chick. The flow sick like oh shit, you know this, I'm too fit to ever quit. Knocking these fools out like pool sticks. I do this, I move this, I prove this. Bars be hard like a pound of bricks. It go up, jumps the boogie to the bang bang high. It's the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta. It's the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go rat-ta-ta. Why them rude girl when I act rah-rah? Me no never care, so me shake me pom-pom. Me a leader, so me don't follow.
Sige, magayong lang paglakad ay kahayag may kahayag. Udan ag sa dalang mangit-ngit, lakip na ang langit daw, lapat nga adlaw. Ang kinabuhi sugilanong hiwet, kalipay kasakit o kalamig. Silang bida niining salida, sagub mga way katumanan. Sine, sine, sine sa batapan, di na unta matapos pa. Bisan pa man sa pagdagan sa
Nasa kayo lahat dyan, USA!
Maghimay, hindi ang magtasik pa sa murikpig. Maghimay, hindi ang magtasik pa sa murikpig. Maghimay, hindi ang magtasik pa sa murikpig. Tasik pa sa murikpig, yay pa sa murikpig. Maghimay,
Hiwalay ang buto sa bunga, iba ang baitang. Huwag mong ipilit kung di ka hiyang, pampagaalan ng pakiramdam. Di mo na kailangan pa muli mag-alilangan. Basa mo sa kaliwa at kuling mo sa kanan. Higo pa sakya mo lang habang may nakasalang. Sali lang at maramdam ko lang ang gapang. Malakas matindi, baka naman pare pwede makisindi. Tama-tama lang hindi na